Yes, children, welcome back. So this is continue to you have to be learn and write in CW notebook. So last time you have written the 10 words, right? In the accent 10 words. So daily one word and 10 words you have to be practiced to say someone. Okay, to say someone. Okay, children? So wherever you are doing action something, so you have to be pronounce the Hindi words. Okay, Hindi action words is ki karya darsak sabd. Okay. Last what I said, peena, drinking, crawling, rengna, kudna, jumping, udna, flying, गले लगाना, hugging, खेलना, playing, चिल्लाना, shouting, सोना, sleeping, धोना, washing clothes, कपड़े धो, कपड़े means clothes, okay, कपड़े धो, clothes, wash the clothes, okay, चेहरा धो means wash face, okay. आंखें धो means wash your eyes. हाथ धो means wash your hand. Wash your हाथ धो लो, हाथ धो. Do like action. हाथ धो. हाथ धोना means hand wash. हाथ धोना. Hand wash. हाथ धोना. Hand wash. Okay. खाना खाने से पहले क्या करना है? हाथ धोना है. कैसे धोना है? साबुन से अच्छे से मल के धोना है. ठीक है? Good. Next one. So here is a word. You have to be write in your CW note. Okay? Learn and write action words. Learn and write action words. Okay? व्यायाम करना, exercising, okay, नाचना, dancing, हंसना, smiling, चढ़ना, climbing, बैठना, sitting, लिखना, writing, तैरना, swimming, काटना, cutting, जब हाई लेना, whining, okay, पीना, drinking. So this one with the reading practice you have to be write in CW note and daily you have to be practice to you have to be tell to your brother, sister, wherever you are doing action you have to tell that say in Hindi, okay. Especially your parent, okay. So next one, here is a birds. Do you know the birds? Yes. Which bird this one? Do you have idea? Yes. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. You can see that book page number. Yes. You can see the page number 72. Okay, there is so many birds. You have already colored it the peacock, more. Then after that, murgi. Yes. So now next you have to color the which? Kabutar. Okay. Kabutar. That this is the same color you have to be feel the in drawing. Okay. And you should not put out of the way, okay. It looks like a very good, like that you have to be color, okay children. So which bird this one in Hindi? Kabutar. Kabutar. Kabutar means in English pigeon. So now you know the birds. Which birds? Pigeon birds name in Hindi. What is the name of Hindi? Kabutar. Okay children? Good. So color it neat and cleanly. Okay, good. Next one, more. More is our national birds, right? So more, how is a more? Very beautiful look like. When is peacock is dancing, जब मोर नाचता है तो देखने में कितना सुंदर लगता है ना? When your peacock dancing, you can see that time you feel very grace and beautiful. Oh my God, peacock is dancing. You can say. Have you seen? Good, very good. So next, Sundar more. So Sundar means beautiful. Peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful birds, right? Yes. And our national birds also. क्या है? राष्ट्रीय पक्षी. सुंदर और राष्ट्रीय पक्षी है. क्या कौन सा है? नाम क्या है राष्ट्रीय पक्षी का? मोर. मोरनी. Okay? So, Sundar more. Let's we learn this poem about a peacock. Okay? वन का सुंदर सु अंग सुंदर सुंदर इक्सा बड़ी ई की मात्रा पक्षी ओ मोर मोर वन का सुंदर पक्षी 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 मोर न मन हो ह न ए ने मोहने वाला चोर मोहने वाला चोर. ओके. बन का सुंदर पक्षी मोर बन का सुंदर पक्षी मोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर. बन का पक्षी सुंदर बन का सुंदर पक्षी मोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर. नेक्स्ट, नाच मोर का सबको भाता है. नाच नाच मोर मोर का सबको भाता भाता है. ओके. नाच मोर का सबको भाता है. नाच मोर का सबको भाता है. नाच मोर का सबको भाता है. वन का सुंदर पक्षी मोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर. नाच मोर सबको भाता है. नाच मोर सबको भाता है. अंग सतरंगी गायन ई सतरंगी अंग पंख पंख फैलाता है. सतरंगी पंख फैलाता है. सतरंगी पंख फैलाता है. सतरंगी पंख फैलाता है. नेक्स्ट, वारिस में नाच दिखाता है. बारिश में नाच दिखाता है. बारिश में नाच दिखाता है. बारिश में नाच दिखाता है. Now is बन का सुंदर पक्षी मोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर बन का पक्षी सुंदर मोर मन को मोहने वाला चोर नाच मोर सबको भाता सतरंगी पंख फैलाता सतरंगी पंख फैलाता बारिश में नाच दिखाता है बारिश में नाच दिखाता है so वन का पक्षी वन का सुंदर पक्षी मोर means the forest the beauty birds is a peacock okay man means mind making emotionally stole okay mind making emotionally stole नाच मोर का सबको भाता dance everyone likes peacock dance everyone likes right and सतरंगी पंख फैलाता है that feather is a colorful no peacocks the seven color that feather is feathering okay बारिश में नाच दिखाता है means in the raining season dancing the peacock is a dancing when is dancing peacock raining season right so do you understand children so next time again I will take this poem to learn and do the actions okay so again you have to be practice this song wise okay children so dhanyabad have a nice day and stay safe, healthy. Bye-bye. Take care. Okay, children?